Good morning, everyone. This is our title, Applying Design Thinking to Costing and Pricing Strategy of Namis Snack Corner in Alae, Manolo, Fortich, Bukidnon. Namis Snack Corner Overview. Location, Alae, Manolo, Fortich, Bukidnon. Business owner name, Ma'am Mera. Products, street foods, drinks, and viand.
Research methodology. So the group conducted a face-to-face interview with Ma'am Mera to gather accurate and first-hand information about how she managed her business operations. During the interview, the group asked questions regarding product pricing and costing of ingredients and materials, and budgeting, and the strategies she uses to maintain good customer service. The interview also helped the group understand the challenges she encounters in running the business and the techniques she uses to attract and satisfy customers. Through this method, the group was able to collect reliable data that contributed to the success and accuracy of the project. So we observed the daily operation of the business, including food preparation, customer interaction, and sales flow. The team gathered financial information from the business owner through interviews and record reviews. The owner provided estimated figures for daily sales, ingredients expenses, utility costs, and other operational expenditures. These data were organized into financial table and used to analyze the business profitability, expenses, and overall financial performance.
Finding summary of costing and pricing challenges. First is rising ingredients cost. Prices of ingredients such as meat, vegetable, oil, and condiments often increase, affecting the total production cost. Second is balancing affordable prices and profit. The business must keep prices affordable for customers while still earning enough profit. Third is mixed cost management. The business handle both fixed costs, for example, rent, stall space, and variable costs, which is ingredients and packaging, making budgeting more difficult. Next is maintaining quality product. Ensuring quality and consistency while controlling cost is challenging for the business owner. Budgeting difficulties. Daily budgeting is necessary to avoid overspending and prepare for unexpected expenses or low sales. Next is tracking daily expenses. Monitoring daily expenses and sales is important to ensure the business remains profitable. Last is price sensitivity of customer. Since customers are sensitive to price increase, raising prices too much may reduce sales and customer demand. Key main points identified. First is proper costing and pricing are more important to maintain profit. Next is mixed cost include fixed cost and variable cost. Ingredients prices changes depending on supply and demand. Next is customer satisfaction depends on quality, cleanliness, and services. Budgeting helps avoid overspending. Next is friendly customer service to encourage repeat customers. Last is small business owners must carefully monitor daily expenses.
Problem definition. The central problem identified in this study is the absence of a structured costing and pricing system at Nami Stock Corner. The owner currently sets prices based on intuition and market norms rather than on a systematic analysis of actual production cost, resulting in thin or inconsistent profit margins. As ingredient cost continues to rise and competitive pressure increases, this informal approach becomes increasingly unsustainable. So, ang paagi sa owner is, the owner must ensure that products remain affordable to customer without sacrificing product quality or business income. So, these are below as the specific sub-problems include rising prices of ingredients and supplies, difficulty tracking daily expenses and profit, balancing affordable pricing with business profitability, managing mixed costs effectively, risk of overspending due to poor budgeting, and lastly, maintaining consistent quality despite changing cost. So these are the design thinking stages. Empathize. Our group interviewed Ma'am Mera to understand her struggle in pricing, budgeting, and managing cost. Define. We identified the problem was balancing affordable pricing with increasing operational cost. Ideate. The group suggested using a simple budgeting and cost monitoring system. Prototype. Sample daily expense and pricing tracker was proposed. And lastly, test. The owner can test the tracker for several weeks to monitor improvements in profit and budgeting.
So this is our proposed solution. The group proposes creating a simple daily costing and pricing monitoring system. This may include first, recording daily expenses and sales, second, monitoring ingredient price changes, third, computing profit regularly, fourth, setting standard prices based on total production cost, and last is creating a simple budgeting plan for daily operations. So our group proposed solution is to create a simple monitoring system for the business. This system will help track daily expenses, sales, pricing, profits, and budgeting. Through proper monitoring, the owner can manage finances more effectively, avoid unnecessary losses, and improve decision-making for the growth of the business. So the expected impact is, first is better control of expenses, second, more accurate product pricing, third, improved budgeting and financial planning, fourth, increased awareness of profits and losses, fifth, better decision-making in managing the business, last is improved customer satisfaction through consistent quality. The expected impact of the proposed system is better financial management of the business. It can help control expenses, improve pricing accuracy, and strengthen budgeting and planning. It also allows the owner to monitor profits and losses more effectively, leading to the better business decisions and improved customer satisfaction through consistent product quality. So here are conclusion. The interview with Ma'am Mera helped the group understand the real challenges of running a small street food business. The experience showed that costing and pricing are very important in maintaining profit and satisfying customers. Through proper budgeting, cost monitoring, and good customer service, small businesses can become more organized and successful. Applying design thinking also helps identify practical solutions to improve business operations. Overall, the activity connected classroom learning to real-life business management experiences and gave the group valuable insight about entrepreneurship and decision-making.
That's all. Thank you.